2014 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes, the BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, power driver's seat, front reading lamps. Come see the car for yourself.